you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have July's Globein box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the July 2024 Globein box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I will have them all linked down below. You can go check them out if you would like. And I did generate my own code for you guys to use, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off their shop if you don't want to go straight to a subscription. If you do, that will be down below as well. And I believe they have like a free box at sign up. You just have to check and see what their deals are at the time. But again, everything will be down below. Every single month, I always tell you there's so many different choices and options to choose from for the different categories to build your own box. That's a great thing about Globein. You're building your own box. You can use them for yourself, gift ideas, or you can even skip them and use the credits for another box or for their shop. So you definitely have options. You're not stuck with it. If there's items that you're like, this month I'm just not too hip on it, or maybe you were late to the game and didn't see a whole lot of options, you can definitely skip if you would like. Speaking of late to the game, last month I got it super late because I forgot to go in and choose my box. I think I finally did it on the 14th or the 15th. And so this time for last month, I kind of did the same. I think it was maybe like the 9th or the 10th. I was pushing it. I did set an alert on my phone now. So this point forward on the 1st, it will remind me so I can go into it. It's always best to do it on the first day, depending on what member you are. It'll open on the 1st or the 2nd. I believe it's in the evening. It opens up at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on the 1st through the 15th for premium, and the 2nd through the 15th for Maven members. So the sooner you can go and choose your items, the more options you are going to have, and sooner the box will arrive, because once you choose everything, that's when they start processing your box. So that's why I got it so late last month, and that's why I got it a little late this month. And last night I remembered, I think yesterday was the 4th or the 5th. And I remembered last night because I saw this and I had to record today. So I was like, oh, my choices. So I went in and I definitely had a whole lot more options. And again, it's going to be sooner. So they're going to process my box. So you should see it sooner next month. But that is the great thing. The sooner you go, the sooner you can see, because some artists that on their options, they might only have a handful of that product available. So that's why there's so many different products on there, because they can give you a large variety of like access to so many different artisans. But the drawback is sometimes there could only be a handful of products. So first come, first serve, but definitely go check them out. The sooner the better, so you can customize your box to how you would like it. So that being said, let's go ahead and dive in. I just wanted to give you the backstory. That's why my boxes were late the last 2 months, and next month it should be back on track because I remembered at least relatively soon this time. So let's get this one opened. And then I will start showing you now all of the different options for number one. It's like sealed here. For number one. Whew, what in the world? Okay. Now we're in. Now we're in. So these are all of the different options for number one that you can choose from. You always get a card right on top. It has like, I believe, your packing slip in it as well. So when we pull this out, yes. So you will have your packing slip. And then you always get a postcard, and I love this. It says sent with love from the Silk Road, I believe it says. And it's in 2 different languages. I love that. Just attention to detail. You always have this with your order, and then each item has its own little card to give you a little bit more information about that item as well. So that is so cool. So first things first, now let's go ahead and dive in and see what I chose for option number one. I believe it's going to be down here. Yes. Ah, this is gorgeous. Look at all of these beautiful colors. I thought this would look absolutely gorgeous just sitting like this, Or if I had like a single rose or a single flower, I can use it actually as a vase. But this is what I chose. This is the colorful glazed ceramic vase with hand painted floral motifs. And this is regularly priced at $48. Again, handmade, absolutely beautiful. I love all of those colors. And it says, I have encountered various challenges in learning this craft, but I have overcome them throughout patience and hard work. I have learned to preserve and always move forward. Yes, always move forward no matter what. If you fail, you just try again. That's what this world is about. Trials and tribulations, learning and everything. So that is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. So that is what I chose for option number 1. Again, that was valued for $48. So all of the different choices for number 2 will be right about here. For this option, I thought I would choose something to show you guys something a little different. Plus, when I saw it, I was like, that seems really cool. So I chose a backpack. It also comes with its little card, and it's all done up over here with a little rope. And here it is. It's just a mini backpack. It has like this red, green, and blue and white stripes that go down. There is adjustable straps on the back. You can open it this way. Again, I thought this would be really neat to show you guys a backpack because I've seen them on there and I just wasn't sure like, you know, how they're made, what the quality would be like. There's just some little loose strings in there. Definitely you can tell this is handmade. But yeah, these little strings, you can just pull those out. I do not see... There's not, I don't think, no, there's not like a different thing inside here, a zipper or anything. It's just an open area you can drop your stuff in. And then you have the zipper pouch here that you can have a different separation with that zipper. So 2 zippers, adjustable straps, mini backpack. Thought that'd be super cute. And I figured one of our nieces or something like that would probably want to use it. So I chose that to show you guys a backpack. Again, this was valued at only $20-something, right? It says $26. Your travel adventures need a companion directly from the distant and glamorous lands of the Silk Road. It's a geometric pattern. This mini backpack features a convenient design with 2 zipper compartments, all lined with cotton. Again, $26. And there were a few different color combinations. I just thought that one looked super cute. Plus, I just like those colors together. I thought that would look cool. So here is option number 2. So now for option number 3, at first I chose a hand woven 100% silk blue paisley themed handkerchief, and it would be like to hang in your hair. It looks super pretty. There was other colors too. That's the one that I had chose. When I chose it, I think it said there was only one left. So by the time I was done and saved, that one was probably already spoken for. So I got an email saying that option was no longer available and to choose another option. So I went back in and I chose this right here. Should be the paper mache magnet that is a crescent moon. And here's the little card for it. Let's see. It does say splendid crescent. For me, life and art are connected and the right attitude can work wonders. And so in here, they also take so much care in protecting all of their products, so you don't have to worry about anything coming damaged or broken. Oh my gosh, that is super pretty. So here's the moon. I love those colors. And you know what, you guys? It kind of matches with this. Look at that. There is a magnet right there. I'm going to put this on my refrigerator. That's where I save all my magnets. And I just think that's super pretty with the little flowers. So this right here is valued at $14. And this is hand painted, like everything, pretty much all handmade. That is gorgeous. So that was what I chose for option number 3. So quick recap, we have this vase, we have this backpack, and this magnet. Okay, you guys. So again, that is what I chose to create my own custom box for this month. Once you do have those 3 choices, they do have other options if you want to add to your box at a discounted rate. Here's some examples right here. So once you're all done creating your box, you can go through tons of other products. Some of them even match like the other things. So like if you chose something, you might see something that matches it on the side. So you can add that to your box. Again, it's a discounted rate to add to your box. You don't have to. You can stop at the 3rd product, pay nothing else, and just move on with your box. Or again, you do have that option. And I like that you do have that option, because if there's something that you want, you can snag it at that time. If you don't, then you don't. It's your option. I love that. So again, that is everything for this month. If you want to know a little bit more about this box, I will let you know. Again, I do have my code SheCrafty. That will get you 20% off the shop if you are not an active member. Active members always get 20% off, but if you just want to shop their shop, you can use my code to save that 20% off without having to be a member. They do their subscriptions 3 months at a time. They do not do 1 month at a time. So a 3-month subscription, your box would be $40 each box. A 6-month subscription would bring it down to $37 per box. And a full 12-month subscription will bring your box price down to $35 per box. Just remember, the sooner you go to choose your items, the more options you're going to have, and the sooner your box will be processed and shipped out to you as well. So just keep that in mind. Again, I set a reminder on my phone because that 1 month I did it almost like the last day. And so I really, I regretted it because there was less options. I got it way slower. It took longer because I didn't process it until the middle of the month. So definitely check them out sooner than later. You can use the items for yourself, for gifts. You can skip, save for credits. You can do all of that amazing stuff you can do with Globein. I just love that there's so many different products, so many different remote artisans all over the world that we get to connect with and see their amazing things that they make by hand. I love all of the glassware, wind chimes. I mean, I have Globein all over my entire house, inside and out, and I love that. So that is everything for this particular video. Again, they will be all linked down below. If you want to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So that is everything. Definitely let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.